In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Zoho CRM. If you need to add a list of contacts into your CRM quickly, importing them is one of the easiest ways to do it. This is especially helpful if you already have your contact information saved in a file and you want to bring everything into Zoho CRM without entering each record manually. I'll walk you through the process in a simple and clear way so you can follow along with confidence. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the top area of the screen where the main navigation options are displayed. From there, click on Contacts. This will take you to the section where all of your contact records are managed. After you're in the Contacts area, look toward the top right side of the page. You should see the option to create a contact, and next to that there will be a small arrow pointing downward. Click that arrow to open the Additional Options menu. In that menu, select Import Contacts. This is the tool Zoho CRM provides for uploading a file of contacts into your account. Next, you'll need to locate the file you want to import. Browse to the file on your computer, then click on it to select it. Once you've chosen the correct file, continue so Zoho can begin processing it. It's a good idea to make sure you're selecting the right file before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple contact lists. From here, just follow the prompts shown on your screen. Zoho CRM will guide you through the remaining part of the import process. Depending on your file, you may be asked to confirm details or review how the information is being brought into the system. Read each screen carefully and continue through the setup until the import is completed successfully. Once that's done, your contacts should be added to Zoho CRM and ready for you to use. This makes it much easier to organize leads, manage customer information, and keep everything in one place. That's it. As you can see, importing contacts in Zoho CRM is a straightforward process once you know where to click. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.